Hi, I'm Karen. In this video today, I'm just going to be getting ready. I'm getting ready to step out and go do something for a client real quick. And of course, I'm also testing out this foundation again. And this is the one from Becca, because I kind of had a couple of issues with it, like adhering and staying on longer than what I'm used to. And I'm also creating a little look here too. So yeah, it's long enough intro. Let's jump into this video. I'm going to use the Cover FX Concealer in N Medium 3. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil. I believe it's in Medium Brown. I'm going to be using the Bhcosmetics Ultimate Brow. Just going to take a little bit of this foundation and clean up my brows. Well, that doesn't look like a little, but you know. Here we go. Nobody know brows looking really dark right here. I tell you, doing your brows is an art. It is really an art. It's closer to my skin color, so I could get away maybe with more of a fade. Whatever, let's keep it moving. And I honestly wanted to do an olive green eye look with some of the olive green shimmers that I have not utilized. And it's going to be from this palette here from Bhcosmetics. I was looking at this palette the other day and I was like, man, I barely touched it. And it has beautiful shimmers. And I have no problem with purchasing an all shimmer palette, because that's the whole entire point. If you purchase an all shimmer palette, you have a whole bunch of other palettes that you can utilize for transitional colors. So I don't see why not. You just add variety. And everybody needs variety, lid variety, or lid/crease variety. And I feel like this is doing that. I'm going to be going in with this palette here from Rimmel. I'm going to start out with this shade right here, just up here, just so we have something to help blend into, to avoid the patchy scenarios when possible. Next color, I'm going to go in with this one. Yeah, it just always goes on so dark. Oh my gosh. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, this eyeshadow is kind of tricky. It's like you have to blend it in, then it looks softer. All right, let's go on into this shade right here. It's more of like a brick red brown, maybe. Wow, these colors are really looking like they're deepening more. That's the only thing I would say about this palette, is that when it goes on, it definitely looks darker. So maybe if you're a deeper skin tone and you struggle to find browns that look deep on you that are from the drugstore, I think you would really like this palette. But with me, it's like I'm looking at it like, I need you to be closer to the colors you say you're going to be, my friend. I mean, I'm glad they go on dark and pigmented, but goodness gracious. But I will say when you blend them, they start to look more true to color. So thank goodness for that. Let's go downstairs. You know what? No, let's just go in. Whatever. We're just going to mix them both. See how this color looks. Now, this is a really deep plum. It's like a plum brown, basically. All right, let's wipe this off. Let's use this brush that already has product on it. Oh, and this is a Morphe M521. I guess I do own two brushes. Oh, go figure. You can usually find these on Amazon though. And surprisingly, it's not too harsh feeling. I have some that I think I did buy from Amazon that feel a little bit rougher. Yeah, like this one probably a slight bit rougher. But it's all good. I don't mind because their results are always very good. So that type of texture here. All right, let's deepen the outside a little bit. I'm going to go in with that deep plum color. Are you deepening? Are you? I think you are. You know, I realized for the longest when I put color out here that for my eye shape, if I really want to make it look more slanted or done up, if you will, I have to apply this outer corner more at an angle like this. So not just putting it in there like this, but more at an angle like this. And it makes my eyes, it just makes it look like I knew the technique better. Like so. And see if it makes a difference. I know it has for me. We'll roll with that for now. Moving on. Nobody wants to spend 1,000 years doing eyeshadow. I don't know, this kind of looks bright. So I'm looking into using that color right there. But I'm thinking Yeah, I'm thinking it's probably a little too lime. Not even lime, because lime is deeper than this. This is more like a moss color. And I wanted some just... Let me see, maybe I can mix colors. Let's see what we can do. Let me see what other colors that I have. That's the one color I feel like I'm lacking in my collection, are like different tones of green. Okay, I think we're in business. All right, we're gonna be going to a Perception palette, and I think I might mix the two, which is we're going to go with the IE right here. Yeah, I think I might mix the two. So I just wanted to show you the difference in color. This one is from the Perception palette, and this one's from the Bhcosmetics. So it's definitely a difference for sure. Yeah, no, let's use a brush. All right, my fingers are too big for that transaction. I'm gonna use one of these silicone brushes. And this right here, I got this from Amazon. You know, I probably should have used a flat one. Hopefully it will pick up more. Hopefully. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. So it's flat like that. I mean, I'm sure I could use a flat brush too. I'm just being extra. All right, and I'm just going to use a little bit of shade. Shade is this color right here that has a little bit of sparkle in it. Just a little. It's more like a, I guess you can say it's a glitter. I don't even know if that's even going to pick up. I mean, I do kind of see it. I do kind of see it. I'm going to flip it over and use a little bit of IE. Let's blend that into that. And I'm gently tapping into this so we don't have a lot of fallout. Don't pick up too much pigment. That'd be my advice on that situation. Let's wipe this brush off. This green is more on the silvery side versus the gold. You know, I don't know. Is this the look I'm going for? I don't know. I'm gonna go for this color right here on the bottom. It's definitely a plum brown shimmery shade. The Rimmel palette, just so we can, I don't know, soften that up a bit. No, I probably should have went in with a darker one. Let's go in the darker one. I think I was preferring that shade of brown a little bit more. Okay, it goes a little bit more with the bottom color, but now I need to fix the top. I'm gonna get a clean brush, go in with this color right here. There we go. I just felt like it was just missing something. Back to the first shade, which is more on the pinky side, so I don't really too much care for it, but you know, I'm just lightly tapping into it so I can just, we can have some clean blended edges. All right, and then one more thing, I need an inner highlight corner. I don't feel like that green kind of did it for me. Let's use another color out of this one. Why not? I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I really love this shade a whole lot. I just feel like it's definitely unique. It's not gold, but you know, it's not orange either. Well, let me just say it's not like a typical, you know, soft, bright gold. It's more rich. Let's use a different brush here, Karen. Please and thank you. I'm gonna go on with this brush from Bhcosmetics, same color. Bam, I needed something to pick it up more. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And to be quite honest, I have not been setting my under eyes, but I feel like with this foundation, I was hoping to like it, but because of that, I feel like it's making me put in more work than I'm used to putting in. Like, I just do. Oh, okay. So this little thing comes with a little sifter that it blocks the hole of the sifter. So you put it in and put the top back on. That's kind of cool. Oh, it has like a little flip up tab. I hope that tab never breaks off, because that would not be the business. But like I said, if you're the kind of person you're used to setting your makeup, I think you would be more than fine with this. I'm just not used to setting my makeup like that, like I used to. Yeah, I'm just not. I'm not even gonna sit here in front, especially now that it's getting like cold. Ooh, I don't want to be powdering my face up, but I also don't want to be worried about my foundation coming off. And I'm just thinking that me and this foundation would just, we're not meant to be. All right, let's move on to the rest. But usually I'm going to bronze with a Bhcosmetics Studio powder in 240. Well, it all depends. It could be either one. This or the Black Radiance. But right now, this has been what I've been using. Depends on what shade I'm at. And you know what? I have not pulled out this palette in a while, but I pulled it out the other day and I was like, this has a lot of red colors in it. I mean, for the most part, you know, I'm talking about this end over here. And I was like, this would be awesome to use, like, more now that it's, you know, getting cold and getting more into the burgundy colors. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here in the end. Yeah, I just thought it would look better. I was like, you know what, look at me venturing off into less neutral colors. I never would have thought it would be me, boy. I figured it was gonna have enough glow that I didn't have to put glow underneath. I thought I'm gonna be using this opal color from Becca. Why I tried not curling my lashes the other day, putting on this same mascara, this L'Oreal Paradise, and that thing did not look good. I'm telling you, I was feeling some kind of way, so make sure you curl your lashes. Unless you're just gonna put falsie on, but I just don't think that's gonna be me. Like, I'm sorry. No, I'm not. Now this is making me feel like maybe I should have put the green all over, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm just gonna leave it. Leave a good thing. Oh man, this is what I love. These two, doing this two together. Just one coat, curl your lashes, and that bad boy stays in place. Ugh, love, love, love this mascara. So if you're not using a lash curler, I'm telling you, how does a saying go? Get your life. Go ahead, get your lashes together. Recently used this in another video. This is the Luxury Intense eyeliner, retractable eyeliner in khaki from Kiss Professional New York. You know what? And while we're there, why not? Just a little something. Just to kind of bring that color back in. I don't know. I'm just doing something. Why not? You're not gonna know unless you play with it. Just saying. What lip liner is this? This is the new one, Cafe Au. Oh, I just learned how to say it in French. Hold on. Oh, it's Cafe Au lait. I was saying au lat. Thank you, YouTube. All right, so this is called Cafe Au lait, and this is from Rimmel. I'm gonna leave it alone. Like, do I want to go chocolate or do I want to go chocolate? You know what? I probably shouldn't do this color. This is the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick from L'Oreal in 854. I think this might be too pale. This is not bad. Okay. See, this is the exact reason why I needed to have a dark brown, not even dark brown, but like a warm brown pencil. It just makes all these colors look better on me. All right, let's go ahead and spray this down. I'm going to be using the Yes to Tomatoes toner. Stop playing. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I got this all over. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, we're good. We're good as it's gonna get. All right. I have to say, so far, I'm loving the whole look. This reddish brown with this olive green, the gold, you know, even down to the shimmery color I used on the bottom. You know what? Cause the whole color scheme goes together, duh. Cause this reddish brown is the same, basically it's like in the same family as the brown in my crease color here. So it's like, it's all really just making everything match. Yeah, like I usually can't wear this by itself. It usually makes my lip look really off. So with this lip liner combo, it looks awesome. All right, thank y'all for watching. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for getting ready with me as I'm getting ready to go out, even though I didn't really even chit chat. I just talked all about makeup, but that's good enough. Why not? That's good enough. All right, thank y'all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.